Do you want naturally glowing skin without spending thousands on chemical products? You're in the right place. Today, we'll show you 3 powerful DIY face packs that are 100% natural, easy to make, and give visible results in just a few uses. Face Pack 1. Turmeric and Honey Glow Mask. The first face pack is a classic, turmeric and honey. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, while honey deeply moisturizes the skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, a few drops of milk or rose water. How to use: mix all ingredients to form a smooth paste. Apply evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash off with lukewarm water. Use this 2 to 3 times a week for glowing skin. Face Pack 2. Aloe Vera and Cucumber Cooling Mask. If your skin feels dull, tired, or sun-damaged, this pack is perfect. Aloe vera and cucumber both hydrate and soothe your skin, while giving it a fresh, radiant glow. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon cucumber juice. How to use: blend aloe vera gel and cucumber juice into a smooth mix. Apply all over your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Great for daily use or after sun exposure. Face Pack 3. Gram Flour and Yogurt Brightening Mask. Looking for instant brightness? Try this gram flour and yogurt face pack. It removes tan, exfoliates dead skin, and gives an instant glow. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon yogurt, a few drops of lemon juice. How to use: mix all ingredients well. Apply and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently scrub off while rinsing with water. Use twice a week for best results. Consistency is key. Natural remedies take a little time, but deliver long-lasting, healthy results. Choose the face pack that suits your skin type best, and enjoy your natural glow. No chemicals. No side effect, healthy skin. Straight from your kitchen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing home remedies. And let us know in the comments, which face pack are you trying first?